Hi, I'm Moise, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a catching fruit or fruit catcher game in Scratch. So that's kind of easy game that we can also make in Scratch, and now I'm going to show you that how can we make it. So the first thing that you have to do is open a Scratch on website, or if you have downloaded you can download you can open the downloaded one. So I'm going to open my website one. Let's go there. So I done opening it. So the first thing that we are going to do is go to sprites, and you can bring some sprite. I'm going to bring some fruit. Yeah, apple. So we bring apple in here. So the first thing that you have to do now is you can go to, so the apple is a fruit, yeah. So the fruit will gonna be from upside to down, and we're gonna catch it with something. So before I bring the, so now I'm going to bring something. So you can bring anything what you want, but I'm going to bring a bowl. This one we can put in here, and now in bowl we are going to code from events, bring when flag click, when flag clicked, controls forever. So what forever helps us? So the forever block help us to do this thing forever, like always just happening that thing. And if is like, if this thing, if the key is clicking that, if we are clicking that key, move to that way. So now I'm going to try, go to sensing, if key right arrow pressed, go to motions and bring change x by 10. Let's see, is it, yeah, is it just moving? Because we already choose x. Now I'm going to choose for the left side. We can just simply change the arrow to left and change this one to -10. Let's see, yeah, it's moving, yeah. Now go to apple, and we can make the size a bit small, 85, yes, or maybe just exactly 80. Now you have to go to events again, bring when flag clicked, when flag clicked, you can, when flag click, go to controls and bring forever. So as I told you, forever will gonna help us to do that thing forever, like always just happening that thing. If we not use forever, the thing will not gonna just happen always, but the thing will just gonna happen just first time. And how many steps we are using, they're just gonna have, like I'm going to show you, move 10 steps, move 50 steps. Now we are going to check the apple is moving 50 steps or no. Yeah, it just moved 50 steps. And now I'm going to use with forever using 10 steps and put the apple in here. It's just moving because we use the apple forever to run or to move. So now I'm going to change it by y, because we are going to use it from upside to down and changing the positions. Change, go to motions, bring change y by -5. It will gonna help us to come from upside to down, because y is for, yeah, for going from down to up. Change, and then controls, if sensing. So now we are going to use operators. If the height, the y position is -170, go back to upside and go to random position. So now it will gonna help us to when we use y position, because we are using y position, and the y position is for upside to down. And if the y position is less than, like, let's see the thing in here, -168. So if I change to -170, it will gonna go to random place in the upside. Let's try it once, like, yeah, go there, like go that different side, and it will just gonna happening always. Now we will gonna code it code the set y. Now we're gonna use set y to maybe 180. Let's try 180. Yeah, the speed is set y to 180. Yeah. So now that we are going to use is go to bowl. Yeah, so let's try once again. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you how can you do the next code. Go to Apple forever. When clicked forever, uh, forever if sensing, if touching. From here you can choose the bowl one, because if touching bowl, if touching bowl point direction, not point direction, but we will gonna get some point. If touching bowl, we are going to play some sound. Let's start some sound. Chum. Let's check it once. Like eating sound. Okay, so now we are gonna change it to now we are gonna change it. We're gonna use go to random, just duplicate it and put in down. But now we're going to use X for change the position. The X is going to be 180, not minus but 180. Let's try once again. Yes, so the position, as you can see, is changing. So we can change the position from the position is getting changed by the help of this code, because this code is helping us for changing the position and moving it from upside to down and running until we stop that. So now I'm going to make the stop. So before I make the stop thing, we are going to use some backdrops. We can use, there is maybe this one, it's a refrigerator, and we can also change it to, yeah, this one. Just put it in there, or anywhere you want to put, you can put it. After that, we go to Apple again. We go to Apple, and now we are going to change the score. So the score we can just easily change. So I'm going to delete my this variable, also make a variable. The name we can choose score. Go there. So this first score that you're going to set is 0, because the score will gonna be start from 0, and then every program we if we play, it's gonna be start from 0 and change by 1, and we can change by 1. And if you're this there's no tick, you can tick it, and then let's try again. Yeah, the score is changing. Yes, so because we choose random place, so it's just coming from random place. Yeah. Okay, so now the thing that you have to do is go to backdrops. You can make any type of backdrop that you want. I'm going to make a backdrop of, duplicate it first, and then convert to vector, delete the background, and then you can just write in here, you win. We're done making it. Make this size a kind of big, put it in middle, and you can make a circle backward. This one, change the color into, yes, okay, so you win. And now the name we changed to you win. Now we go to Apple again. We just easily gonna bring if, bring operators is equal 1, if and then go to the variables, bring score. If the score is equal 3, looks, switch backdrop, because the backdrop we are using to switch the backdrop to you win. Yeah, switch the backdrop to you win. And then you can do one more thing. When we start the game, it must to change from the first backdrop that we have, and that backdrop is, yeah, beach Rayo. Okay, and we also gonna stop the game. Yeah, stop all. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Yes. Yeah, so our score already got 3, so we win that game. We won that game, and this is the program that. And you can also add some other apples, and you can also add other apples in here. You can also add any type of fruits, some other, any type of vegetables or whatever, and you can make so many vegetables in here or fruits, and then you can play it as a difficult game. And this one is just an easy game because there's just one fruit and we can easily catch it. If you use many fruits, it will gonna be a kind of bit hard for you to, or for everyone maybe. So uh, that's all from me, and that's all from me that I can show you about that game and teach you how to make that game. Thank you very much. In last, I say thank you. Bye.